Styles. So right now, we're actually getting Mo ready for her first look. We're actually right now filling in her eyebrows, something very simple. We're gonna go something natural, but something very diva-ish to really bring out her personality with makeup and with hair. So we're just going ahead and prep her now for her first look. So we're really excited. Wordplay is taking off a launch, and y'all stay tuned.
Take me somewhere we can be alone. Make me somewhere I can call home. 'Cause lately I've been losing on my own. Take me somewhere we can be alone. Make me somewhere I can call home. 'Cause lately I've been losing on my own. 'Cause lately I've been losing on my own.
It's been a long day. We want to thank William Skills for everything he's been doing for us. We're so excited about Wordplay. This is just a start. So, just the beginning. How do you feel about your hair and your makeup?
I mean, you know, awesome.
Awesome. So we turned her from poor to rich. Oh no, start from the bottom, now we to the top. We here. So yeah, so I just want to tell you guys thank you for staying with us and checking with us. And again, I want to say shout out to William Scales for everything he's doing for us. And you guys
shout out to Brienne Styles.
What?
Bam.
So yeah, y'all better look out for Wordplay.
Shout out to my closet.
What? Bam. And shout out to Ron Allen. Okay.
Shout out to Ron Allen, my assistant.
Right today. Okay, so yeah. But thank you guys. You guys better look out for Wordplay. Just get ready, you guys. We're gonna take it by storm. And if you need resumes, bios, anything that you need to bring